Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory, Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of K Hair, and today I will help you learn about how to stop breakable in hair. Don't go anywhere, I will be right back after this intro. How to stop breakage in hair is always a difficult question for even experienced hairdresser. However, here are a few tips to help you figure out how to stop breakable in hair. The first thing you need to do when detecting breakable in hair is to contact the seller. The seller will be the person who knows most about their hair extension product. Therefore, they will be the ones who can give you the most accurate and appropriate advice for your hair extension conditions. In case your seller is not able to answer the question on how to stop breakable in hair, try following a few ways below. The first way to help you stop breakable in hair is to moisturize your hair. Soak your hair in conditioner for about 1 to 2 hours so that the hair can absorb the nutrient. Then wash your hair extension with warm water to clean it. Limit the flow of the water directly on the hair extension to avoid damage to the hair string. Another way to stop breakable in hair is to use essential oil originated from nature, such as coconut oil, olive oil. Spray the oil evenly on your extension and gently squeeze the hair so that they can penetrate evenly. When hair is provided with enough moisture and nutrient, breakable is minimized. One important thing you should remember when looking for the answer to the question how to stop breakable in hair is not to apply heat when the hair is weak. Heat here will include heat from dryers and straighteners. All of the heat will be dangerous agent leading to worse breakable. Although the solution I offer can help reduce hair loss, but you should not let your hair fall into a broken stage and look for a solution. Because when the hair is broken, it means they are in a very bad condition. Stop breakage in hair while the hair is still healthy. You just need to remember 4 no's to prevent hair loss. Do not wash your hair with chemical shampoo. Do not comb your hair when it's wet. Do not dye and bleach your hair at home, and do not be too rough with your hair. Master these steps if you really want to stop your hair from falling out. Hopefully with my sharing, you have found the answer to the question how to stop breakage in hair. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment below this video or text me via this WhatsApp. If you find this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory, Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.